In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Lite app. So if you want to update the Lite app, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. What you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Lite. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Lite and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find two options, uninstall and update. Since my application is already up to date, I'm being able to see the option for open over here. But if you have any updates available, you'll be able to find the option for update. What you have to do is tap on it. After you do that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once your application has been updated, all of your bugs will be fixed. Also, you'll be able to get the access to smoother performance and new features. So like this, you'll be able to update it. So that is how you update Lite app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.